Hey, my beautiful people, how are you all doing? You are welcome back again to BJ's Airwaves TV, your number one channel of choice when it comes to black women hairstyles. Happy brand new week to each and every one of my gorgeous and beautiful women out there. And may this brand new week bring us blessings and joy throughout this week and beyond. And before we dive into today's video, I want to say very big thank you all to my subscribers. Thank you all for supporting and showing love to my channel. Thank you all for the comments, like my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you so much because without you guys, I won't be here where I am today. And I want you all to continue showing that love to my channel by watching and sharing my videos to family and friends and to other platforms. So in today's video, is all about short haircut styles for my beautiful and gorgeous black women over 50 years of age who are willing to look good and also want to transform their look to look younger than their age. Looking good is so very important for both old and young women. So in this very video, you can see all these women with new transformation given to them by our great and creative hairstylists, and they love this transformation. I'm very happy with it. As you can see that this new transformation tends to bring out the happiness and the excitement within them. So there are so many different hairstyles you can choose from this single video that you can show to your hairstylist during your next salon visit. For you to choose the best and appropriate hairstyle for yourself is to sit back, relax, and enjoy this video from the beginning to the end, and you'll be glad you did. So all props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylist with great minds who put all this together and avail us the opportunity to showcase these beautiful and mind-blowing styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy it, and please don't forget to comment, like, and share my videos to family and friends and also to other platforms for us to even spread the trend of black women hairstyles across the globe. I remain my humble self, BJ, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you and have a fulfilling and blessed week ahead. Bye.